Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Short stories of Maulana Hazar Imam. In 1956, Janabai of Mundra, Kutch, vowed to greet the Imam in Kutch with the wreaths made of gold and silver. It was the period of Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah, but he did not come in India after 1951. Janabai anxiously waited and waited till the physical demise of the Imam in 11th July 1957. In the meantime, she also expired, but before her death, she handed over the flowers of gold and silver to the Mukhiani of Mundra Jamaat Khana and said, "Keep it in your custody. When the Imam arrives in Kutch, you welcome him with it on my behalf." On October 2, 1962, Maulana Hazar Imam arrived in Bharapur, Kutch. The Mukhi, Kamadiya, Mukhiani and Kamadiani of every Kutch Jamaat presented the plates of the Mehmani to the Imam. The Imam put his blessed hand on the plates with best loving blessings of the Kutch Jamaat. When it came turn of the Mundra Jamaat, the Mukhi and Kamadiya also presented a plate of the Mehmani and earned best loving blessings. They were followed by the Mukhiani and Kamadiyani with plates in hands. The Mukhiani has wrapped the flowers of gold and silver of that late Janabai in a handkerchief and put in the plate. The Imam put his gracious hand on the plate. The Mukhiani then gave her plate to the Kamadiyani and removed the handkerchief and began to untie its knots. The hands of the Mukhiani were trembling in fear, but it could not be untied. She looked at the Imam, then restored to its opening. The Imam smiled and told her in Kutchi, "Aste, taka nai." Slowly, no hurry. The Mukhiani took a breath of peace, and the knots became untied. The small flowers of gold and silver in the handkerchief glittered. The Mukhiani wanted to greet the Imam with the flowers. The leaders and the Jamaat perplexed to see it silently, in case the flowers may hit the face of the Imam, puzzled the Mukhiani while greeting the Imam. The Mukhiani took the flowers in her 10 fingers of 2 hands, but was in the horns of dilemma. The Imam suddenly burst into laughter, and the 10 fingers opened, and the flowers flew in the air and fell at the Imam's neck till the west in the shape of a chaplet, and fell into the Imam's lap. Before the Mukhiani may say anything, the Imam said in the Kutchi, "Ha, mukhe khabar aayi, aun Janabai ji Ruhani ke khas dua aasish farmaye to, Khana Vadan, Khana Vadan, Khana Vadan." "Of course, I know it. I give my special blessings to the soul of Janabai. Khana Vadan, Khana Vadan, Khana Vadan." The eyes of the Mukhiani and Kamadiyani streamed with tears.